Our client, based in the US, is an industry leader in communication systems that enable satellites to communicate with each other whilst in the harshest environments of space. They came to us looking for a digital manufacturing solution that would embed quality into their manufacturing process through traceability, accountability, and repeatability. Our digital manufacturing solution, Tascus, enables our client to keep a comprehensive digital record of every step of the manufacturing process. We've been able to replace laborious manual data recording systems, including a stringent requirement to record the length of time that electronic circuit boards have had power applied. We've implemented a simple, seamless solution that automatically controls and tracks power usage for each product. By monitoring the manufacturing process at every stage, our client has been able to achieve accountability across the organization. This is replacing a previous system where accountability was only recorded at the final test and inspection stage. Now every member of the manufacturing team knows they are accountable for their performance, leading to increased care and attention to quality. By implementing standard digital work instructions and manufacturing routings, our client is ensuring a seamless transition from product development to series production, with repeatability across multiple shifts and multiple sites across the United States. Now that our client has put in place a scalable digital manufacturing system, they are able to grow their production business in multiple sites across the US, safe in the knowledge that a system is in place that will ensure product quality through traceability, accountability, and repeatability.